Hello everyone, a warm welcome to the Busy Mobile App new release webinar. So I hope you all are fine. That is yesterday only we have launched Busy new mobile application release. In this mobile application release, you will be getting more advanced features like voucher approval system, warning alarms, PDF sharing features, etc. That we will discuss one by one by practical also. So please be listen carefully and please be active in the session. If you have any questions related to Busy mobile applications or any specific queries, if you have means you can put message in the chat box. I'll be pick up these queries in after the end of this webinar. So once again, thank you so much for your participation in the webinar. Myself Suraj. Let us begin. So the first point, as you seen on my screen, the Busy mobile application, once you installed in your mobile phone, you will be getting this type of what's new feature. So any specific important features will be available in a mobile phone. That related informations will be available in your Busy app screen. So let me show you how it is comes. So I can share my mobile phone screen here, and here you can specify the BDEP ID. That BDEP ID, I can specify my company BDEP ID, and here you can mention the username and password. Just log in the application. At that time, you will be getting this what's new features. Introducing new features is manage voucher and master approvals, share all reports available in the app, cancel vouchers created on app, define warning alarms and restrictions, include payment instrument details in receipts, etc. Only 5 number of features will be available in this screen, and it will be displayed only very first time. So after the app installation, you will be getting this screen only once. So later on you can't get. If you need further, you need this information, you just go to the Play Store, and here you'll be have about this application. Just have the about this application, and you can read the what's new features. What's new features, you can get it from here. This is update we will provide it in this release. And next point here, assign and manage cloud sync user rights. The challenges, the user will be facing some challenges related to risk of unauthorized changes and data security. So therefore they are getting some problems here, but now we have a solution: data protection and restriction on users. So earlier we made the provision that cloud user wise dash configuration, but now in this release we provided that unauthorized, that is called cloud sync user rights. So what are the rights that you can enable and disable? I'll be showing here. First thing here is allow price change in voucher, allow discount change in voucher, allow sharing of invoice and voucher, allow sharing of reports, restrict backdate entries. These are the 5 major user rights will be provided by the cloud sync users. Either the super user, he can decide that he wants to make any changes or doesn't make any changes. If they wants to make any changes, they'll be enable this feature. So before going to my mobile phone, I'll be show you some settings in the that is cloud sync side. Go to the user, cloud sync user. I'll be created one username called. So in that, the first option is that is user rights. Click on this configuration button, and here you can see the user rights. Allow price change in voucher. If you want to allow, you can make this one as yes. Similarly, discount change. If you don't want to change the discount for the particular this user, allow sharing of invoice and voucher. If you doesn't want this feature, you can disable it. And sharing of reports, and restrict backdate entry. Restrict backdate entry, that we will see it later. Once it's done, once again you can sync the data. Once the configuration is done, you has to sync the data. Either you can sync it by manually, or you can incrementally data upload. You can do it by manually. So let me log out my account once again, and I'll be switch to my Raj account. Raj is the cloud sync user. After that, if I made any transaction the party, for example any party, if I selected, I'll be selecting here cash. Salesman I can select. Here you can see the quantity change. Quantity I can able to change. Similarly discount, if I want to change the discount, so that time I'll be getting this message: edit discount not enabled for this user. I can't able to change the discount here because of this configuration. Similarly, price also I can able to change. Price also I can able to change because this particular cloud sync user, they have rights. If they doesn't have a rights, means he can't able to change the price over here. This type of configurations we given in a Busy new release. So next thing here, sharing of invoice or voucher and sharing of reports. Let us see. If I wants to share any kind of reports from the Busy mobile application, that is something like ledger report. If I wants to share the ledger report, so when I try to share it, so I'll be getting this message saying that share reports not enabled for this user. Share report is not enabled. If it is enabled, then only I can able to share. Similarly, if I want to share my invoice copy, so let us see how it is work. I will be punch one sales invoice here, the party name called cash. I'll be selecting my salesman name here, and let me take one product. I'll be saving this voucher. Next, if I want to share the voucher invoice copy, I can able to share if I'm having this permission. Otherwise, I can't able to share it. Now I have this permission. This Raj user, Raj is having the permission to share the invoice copy. Earlier, it is not like that. Earlier, everyone can share the invoice copy. Everyone he can share the reports from anyone. But now we've made some provision for the security purpose. Only the concerned authorized user he can only share the invoices as well as the reports by now onwards. So this is the one major release and major enhancement we did in our busy software and busy mobile application. Similarly, I'll be show you the backdate entries. Let me log out once again. I'll be again log into my Raj account. Here, if I try to make any invoice to specific date, backdate. So if I try to make the entries, so now it was happening because date will be selecting some other date. You can see that one message is appearing here. It's saying that backdate entry is not enabled for this user. Likewise, the user he can get the message. This is also very required for the distributors as well as some of the industries because they are asking these type of features, the better management of their data. And let me move further. Some other releases that we developed in the mobile application is warning and restrictions related. The main challenge here is inventory accuracy, correct pricing, limitations on credit, and overdue bills. Focus on these points. We developed this warning alarms features into the mobile phone as well. Earlier, we have this feature only in our desktop. Now we are getting this particular feature in mobile app as well. To this feature, the user he can get the real-time alerts and controlled access on the data. So different types of warning alarms are provided. That is negative stock, minimum sale price is greater than MRP, and credit limit as well as overdue bills. So we have the options in desktop busy software. Similarly, we have it in mobile phone also. No action condition, warning only, don't allow. No action means it's a turn off mode. Warning only means the user he can get the warning. Don't allow means the mobile application will block them to go further. Can't allow to go and proceed the transactions. These are the important warning alarms that we are provided. Let us see first it in busy application, busy desktop. Then we will go to the mobile phone as well. So user rights and warning alarms. Check the user account, CloudSync user account, and you will be getting this option, user rights and warning alarms. Just enable it and you'll be getting this configuration button. Under this configuration button, again you will be getting on another screen. You can see that negative stock, minimum sale price, different types of warning alarms. So what I can do, I can enable negative stock as don't allow. Minimum sale price warning only I can kept. Sale price greater than MRP I kept warning only. Even I can have a credit limit functionality. You can enable the credit limit also. Keep in mind, if you need to enable this credit limit warning alarm, you just want to enable the credit limit functionality from busy. That features is available under our accounts tab. If you enable this credit limit functionality in our busy desktop, busy application, then only it will work. Otherwise, it can't work. Now I was enabled the credit limit warning alarm as don't allow. Include PDC facility also provided. It means say the customer is having 10,000 rupees outstanding. Suppose if I made the payment via check, that is the check may be in a post-dated check. It might be cleared after few days. Then it is also considered. Then you can't get the warning. If you don't want that kind of include PDC option, you just remove it here. Likewise, we will provide another warning alarm called due bills of party while invoicing. If any party is having due bills at point of time, you will be getting warning. Otherwise, you will be have option don't allow. Okay, so these all are same like how we have this in our busy application earlier. The same thing here we are provided. It is in mobile application. That's it. Now let me save the configuration. Anytime if you did this kind of configuration, you have to upload the data. Incremental upload you have to do it. If you increment the uploaded your data, then only it will be available in your mobile phone screen. Okay, done. So now what I can do, I can go to the mobile phone. Again, I share my mobile phone screen here. Just open the application. If anybody there facing the problems, it will be available. But if it is not available, you can try to log out the user account and log into the account. Then it'll be available. Okay, all right. What I can do, sir, I can show the certain warning settings, warning alarms by you. Be selecting one product, negative stock, make one billing, negative stock. Salesman name, add the items. I'll be selecting the product called Coca-Cola 1 liter. The current stock that I am having here 1,30,886 bottles. So what I can do, I can put it here 2,00,000. At that point of time, I'll be getting this message: stock is going negative, transaction not allowed, because the condition I was specified in the busy application was don't allow. So that I am getting this back message, back button. So I can't able to go further. I has to come back. So similarly, next point here is sale price is greater than MRP. So let me change the sale price 100 rupees here, rupees. At that point of time, I'll be getting this. Let me change the quantity to here, 82, and least price will be 100 rupees. Price, I just save it. Then I'm getting the message: sale price greater than MRP. Actual MRP was 60 rupees, but I am getting that sale price is greater than MRP because the price that I was entered 100 rupees. So I can't able to save it. If I want to save it, I just want to press yes here because I was configured as warning only all around. So I can able to move further because I was specified warning only. So this is how the warning will come. Likewise, the some other condition also we will see. Next point here, credit limit as well as minimum sale price. I'll be taking one product. Another product I'll be select Coca-Cola only. Coca-Cola minimum sale price was 45 rupees. Okay, 5 rupees. What I can do, the Coca-Cola minimum sales price I was mentioned in a busy application was 45 rupees. So let me do one invoice in my mobile phone. Product of Coca-Cola. Be adding the price 4 rupees at the time. We're getting this message: item price below minimum value. Minimum price is 45. If I want to continue, I can continue. Otherwise, I can exit the screen. This is another warning alarm that we have provided. Continuously, I'll be show you some other options like limit. Let me enter one invoice for the name of Srinivasa Stores. By selecting the party name, that time will be getting warning: payment overdue for this party. This party has having the outstanding of 2,360 rupees, and this particular payment is due. The reason I'll be getting this warning, this credit limit I was mentioned as warning only, so that I can able to go further. If I don't want to go further, I just exit the screen, pressing the no option. This is how the warning will appear. Another condition that I can show you, that is called bill, pending bill you can say. Due bill I already shown you. This party I will be selecting here ABC company. You can see here the ABC company, if I selected, it is showing that payment overdue for this party. This way you will be getting different types of warning alarms based on your configurations done by the software. This is really helpful for the users whom they are operating to the mobile phone, and it can control the data. It gives you the better accuracy as well as the better pricing options for the operators. Security features that we are provided by this release. Next is warning for repeat items during a transactions. There are some difficulties they are facing our busy mobile app users. That is how to prevent an item being selected again. They are selecting the items in multiple times. They can't know that whether this item is already selected or not. Can't have the certain blocking facility earlier, but now current release we have provided that one kind of pop-up message appearing in front of their screen. In this message, they're getting one message saying that this product is already selected. So how it is work? See by practically. Okay. Suppose for example, if I am adding one invoice here, I was selected one item called Coca-Cola, one quantity I was selected. Next again I can add one more item, same item, Coca-Cola. At that time I'll be getting message: item is already added. Do you wish to continue? If I wish to continue, I can continue. Otherwise I can no button to come back. This specific option is provided now. See next point, quantity, add free quantity. Earlier we don't have the solution to add a free quantity, but now we have provided the free quantity adding option by using the mathematical symbol plus. In busy software also we are using plus symbol only. The same way you can use the plus symbol to add the free quantity plus free quantity. Let me show you. Any feature that you want to enable into the mobile phone, please keep in mind and note that feature has to be enabled in a software. Then only it will work. If this feature is not enabled in a busy application, you can't able to use this in mobile app as well. For example, if you sold any particular item, that time you want to give the quantity 10 plus 1. Just use the symbol. 0 button. Just keep on pressing the 0 button. Then automatically plus mark will appear here. Plus symbol will appear. Later on you can give the free quantity. 10 plus 2. 10 is a billed quantity. 2 is a free quantity. Likewise, add the invoices. See it here. Voucher has been saved. I will show you the printing format. This type of out will be get. Set the quantity of unit. You can see 10 plus 2. 10 is the billed quantity and 2 will be the bottle. 2 will be the free quantity. Next point that we will discuss now, selling of vouchers. Here the user is facing the problem that how to prevent invalid transaction for being posted. Now we made the provision that cancellation of voucher before syncing. If the mobile user, if they made any transactions, now we made the provision to cancel it. So how it is work? Let us see. Here 3 lines will be provided. Okay, 3 lines menu will be provided. You can see the unsynced list. There are quotation unsynced list you will be getting here, invoice unsynced list, order, receipt, etc. So let me open invoice unsynced list. Unsynced means this data is not synced into the busy desktop software, busy desktop application. It is not synced, you can cancel it by here. We have an option called cancel voucher in the remarks, in the narration, and you can cancel it. It is done. Cancelled will be appeared here. The cancelled option, cancelled remarks will be appeared here in a red color. Then I'll be shown into the busy screen also, busy also. We go to my busy application and I'll be downloading the data. Download the transactions. Now the transaction has been downloaded. You can see the cancelled report, checklist, numbering report, cancelled voucher numbers. Voucher, let me select. 2 voucher has been cancelled. Now just now I has been cancelled this number, voucher number 10. Number 10, this one is belongs to the mobile series and this one is cancelled. If I cancelled any unsynced voucher from the mobile phone, that will be shown here. Will be this feature is also enhanced by the mobile phone. Very good feature it is. And the next feature here, of bank instrument type and number in receipt voucher. Adding of bank instrument type and number in receipt voucher. The main challenge here it is how to identify the amount received through the which medium. Most of the time the operator he might be get confusing that how I can receive this amount, which media, whether it is RTGS, NEFT, e-wallet, UPI, Google Pay, PhonePe. It might be difficult to gather the data. But now you can't facing this problem. You'll be got this feature to easily manage your instrument types and numbers. Mobile phone itself. Here, if I am adding any receipt voucher by the phone, come back once again. Be adding one receipt voucher. Adding the voucher, I'll be getting this instrument type option. You can see it here. The instrument type will be transfer. I have a reference number to add it here. 1, 2, 3, something like that. These informations will be available in a report as well. In busy software report, you will be getting this instrumentation number and type details. Of receipt, I'll be adding here 1000 rupees or 100 rupees. Save it. Receipt is transfer. Adding once again. I'm selecting here bank mode of receipt. That I was received 100 rupees. Instrument type is it is 234. So I'll be adding some narration. Save it. The narration as well as instrument type details, everything will be added. Now this information will be getting into the busy software application, software reports. Okay, so this is how this feature will provide it. Voucher and master approval and rejection workflow. Voucher master approval. Earlier we will be getting this feature in our enterprise model. Now you will be getting this voucher approval functionality with your mobile phone also. Keep in mind, this is this feature, if you are purchased busy enterprise model, then only it will be work. This feature is directly connected with busy software feature. Busy software feature, you are using busy software basic model, you can't get this. Using enterprise model, then this feature is available on your phone as well. So earlier the user is facing the problems in managing the financial control, accuracy as well as accountability. But now after this particular feature, you will be getting the enhanced visibility, control, and even improved decision making. If owner might be outside or the concerned manager, he will be outside. But at the point of time, if any vouchers he wants to approve their guidelines, so he can use this functionality. Earlier he can't do that. He has to come to the busy software desktop and he has to do it. But now mobile phone only he can approve it or reject it. So let us see how it is work. And first and foremost, you have to enable the price called voucher approval by here, feature and options, price features. One you have to enable so that you can do certain configurations. Which voucher want to keep the voucher approval. I was configured for the quotation and order, the two voucher type, and all series I was configured. Who can approve? Admin user they can approve. Clear the busy desktop application, how they have the settings, same way we have the settings here. There is no any such changes. Apart from that, this feature is available by the CloudSync user also. You can open any of the CloudSync user. Here you will be getting the option approval and rejection rights for the vouchers and masters. Approval and rejection rights for vouchers and masters. Just enable it. Sync user also you can enable this feature. That this user he can approve the vouchers or approve the vouchers by their approve the masters by their mobile phone. Such changes if you made means please do the incremental upload. Then only it will be available in our phone. Otherwise it can't comes into the mobile phone directly. Once it's done, I'll do I'll be have one other user called A user. Let me switch to the A user. I will be posting one transaction voucher called sales quotation. User, I'm logged in my A user and here I make one sale quotation by the name of ABC company. Product is Coca-Cola, 100 quantity. Save the voucher. The voucher has been saved. Switch to my admin user account now. User account now display and get the report of approval. You can see the voucher approval report to be approved. This one voucher will be pending to approve. Now I can't do anything here. I just sync the data. Incremental upload I will do because these informations now it is not available in my mobile app. So I want to put the data in. Sync use code import incremental upload. All right. Now the data has been uploaded. My mobile phone. I'll be sharing my mobile phone screen. One cloud user he has the approval rights. The admin user is also have the approval rights. I'll show you both of the logins. I'll be logged into my admin user account and left side you can see the approval and rejection option. Approval or rejection option. Either voucher you can approve or master you can approve. Let me open the voucher. That one voucher that I was added, voucher number 7 quotation entry, it is visible here. Same thing it is visible for the another user called Raj also. If Raj will log into their account, Raj password, and I'll be logged into my account. Even Raj can also see the voucher here. So what I can do, if I want to accept it, I can accept or I can approve it. Or if I want to reject it, I can reject it. Now let me show you by rejection. So I just rejected here. Rejected and I'll be put some narration also. Is done. Then I go back to my screen. I'm having one other functionality here. Earlier it is not available, but we will be making one provision here to download the approval and rejection status. Here you can see the download approval or rejection data status. That one rejection has been done by myself. It is visible here. You can see the rejected entry, one number of entry. Screen you can get the entire information, how much voucher that you have been rejected, how much that you have accepted. Details will be appeared in this screen. If you want to sync it, you just press the sync option. Once the syncing has been done, the informations will be available in busy report as well. You can get the report here. Rejected voucher by the user. Rejected voucher by the user. You can see. Earlier I made I'll rejected another voucher number 6. Just now I was rejected number 7. Both the entries was rejected so that it is visible in our rejected list. Simultaneously, you can accept also. If you accepted any kind of entries, that will be visible in our approved voucher side. If a voucher was approved, that could be visible in our approved voucher report. Any voucher are still to be approved, that could be visible in to be approved. These all are the very important releases or major enhancement will be done by the mobile phone. So this could be very helpful for the users. So this is voucher approval system. I hope this will be understand for everyone. Again, I go back to my some more functionality. We are made the provision to view the pending quotations, orders, and challans. Earlier, we don't have this functionality because the user thinking that how to track pending quotation, orders, and challans information. If they want to see it by report, he has to contact the office person or he has to check the busy application only. But now we made the provision to view it in our mobile phone very easily. Priority of this functionality is priority setting, call of action, enhanced customer service, and reduced delay in order fulfillment. This is the main reason we made this provision. So let us see how it is work. For example, you have any pending order, pending challan, or pending quotation, separate report able to see that going in my mobile phone only. You can get the report by here. Click on these three lines. You can go to the report section. This one you can see pending orders, pending quotations, pending challan. They are available in one by one. To see the pending quotation, you just get the pending quotation report of 300 ml 3 bottles. So this is pending quotation report. Likewise, you can see the pending order challan as well. Have any pending orders? Challan? There's no any pending challan also. I think no challan is pending. Okay. This is one of the meant will be made by the mobile phone routing side. This could be understand. So again, I move back to my PPT only. Once again, see some more changes. The payment reminder with bill receivable and payable. The main challenge here is the user is facing the payment collection gets delayed. Sometimes the user he can't pay the payment on time. You might be facing the difficulties to sending the payment reminder and all those things. But now you don't worry. We have the solution for that: better cash flow management as well as reduction in outstanding payments. How it is work? Let us discuss by practically. By my mobile phone, get the report of receivable, payable balance report, bill wise receivable, the bill wise receivable report. Selected any on screen is visible for all of them. This one is the bill receivable report. I'll be showing you once again. Bill receivable report. Select any one customer. These are the two bills it was pending. So if I want to share the payment reminder to them, so I'll be having this option called sharing option. And I'll be have different types of sharing option: email, SMS, WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. So let me choose my WhatsApp option here, and I'll be sharing here. Once I shared the message, automatically that content also automatically configured. No need to type anything by ourselves, by manually. So it's everything is customized and everything is ready-made available. You can read the message. Dear ABC company, warm greetings. We wish to bring to your attention that there are pending bills rupees 572 on your account is as of 31/3/24. Kindly consider setting this amount at your earliest convenience. For your reference, a detailed statement has been attached in the link below. So everything is ready-made content. No need to type anything. Also, you will be having this link option. If you press the link, that it will be appeared. That report will be appeared. Detailed report. You can see the details we made for them. That bill number, bill date, amount, pending amount, due date, everything is coming over here. So this is how the payment reminder functionality we have been provided by the Busy mobile application. In some more functionalities that is called printing and sharing of all reports. Earlier the sharing is available only the limited report, but now currently we have a sharing option for all the types of reports. No worry about the sharing things. Every report we will make the provision to sharing. So this is all about my side. I hope you might be understand the latest Busy mobile application new enhancements made by ourselves. Have any questions or any kind of clarifications, feel free to call to our 24/7 helpline number. This number will be displayed here, 8282 5 times. Also, you can write a mail to us, support@busy.in. If you have any such feedback, write a mail to us, feedback@busy.in. So once again, thank you so much for participated this webinar session.